Hello everybody and welcome back. And I'm here with my sister. I always say my friend because she's like a friend to me, but she's my sister. So yeah.
And you can go and check me and my sister's channel, Abby McIntyre.
Woo!
And you can go and check Family Fun for Everyone as well. And I've got two channels: Family Fun for Everyone and Toys Fun for Everyone.
Same, I've got two channels. They're called the same name, Abby McIntyre.
Stop it! You need to wait. Alright, make that thing go back up. How do you? Oh boy, sugar.
I can put it back in when it comes down.
Who's that?
Rubber and greasy.
Alright. So, my name is called Elsa and my friend's called
Abby
McIntyre. She doesn't like to say her other name because she's quite shy. Did you hear that or not?
Boo.
Okay, nobody heard that. So, this is the two gumball machines.
This one
And the wee baby one, so cute. So we're starting with the baby one.
Wait, there's only one left. Oh, one's stuck.
So let's get started, and my friend Abby's going to close her eyes and I'm going to give her one.
Yay.
Close!
Oh, sorry.
Did you see that?
Yeah. But I don't put it back in. Did you do that?
Wait, I think. Yep. Just open it like that. Okay. Weird. It's like you're a baby. You didn't.
I don't see it. I'm going to put my head out in there.
Right? Yeah.
And comment if comment is that white or no, is it yellow?
Yeah, it's yellow.
Was it lemon?
Yeah, it was lemon.
Comment if you think we liked it.
Yeah, comment if they feel like, that was quite good actually. I want you to eat that one again. Right, Abby's gonna give me it. Did you not like that one?
I did. Yeah. What one? Big or small?
Smile.
And I'll show you Sophie Bell's reaction.
Was that one the yellow one?
Yep, you got that right.
Oh yeah. I'll just slide. Until it's my turn, I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna have to just spit out. What, big or small?
I'll go for big because there's two colours left there. It's probably going to be yellow. I do not want the white because it tastes like baby wipes.
No, I can remember. Wait.
I think they're quite nice. They taste like, I don't know why, but see, the smell of deodorant spray. Like that's what, no, not deodorant, like of a new freshness spray. Like that's what it tastes like, the smell, because it's awfully nice to smell. So, is it colour right?
Nope. Yellow. It was the yellow one. You happy you got the yellow? Do you love the yellow one? You're lucky. It's your lucky day.
Oh, look. See, and mine's are hollow inside. Hollow. See, look at that. It looks like a coconut. It's hollow inside, like mine's. Mine's is hollow inside.
Okay, I'll go.
Oh, it looks like bra. A bra.
I've got a bra. I'm gonna put this on my dolly.
Bra. My.
Okay, can
What
I
boys
have-
watching this?
can I have a big one?
Okay.
I hope it's not baby white. I hope it's not baby white. What is that?
It's a white one.
The white one. That doesn't taste it.
I know I can't remember tasting it. That's the most finished. So I'm going to see if I did put money in this. I guess I didn't.
That was a good flavour actually.
I just stick everything up in my bed. So we're only left with this little baby one.
So cute. But it's pink, but in the background it's peach.
Oh, oh well.
So, what one are you hoping for?
Brown always.
Okay.
I'll get it. I don't know what it tastes like. So let's see my
Tastes like
reactions to my face.
Close your eyes. This might be your lucky day. We don't know.
Cola.
No.
Brown.
No. Yellow.
I'm always getting yellow.
Hey, you do it to me. I'm hoping for the brown again. It's so yum.
Oops. But did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that. Look,
I've got it.
just pull it off. Can I move down?
Why not?
You don't twist it. You just open it up
Just
like
keep your mind,
this.
you
You
twist
just
it.
open like that. Not coming out.
Actually, I've never got it. It's this one. So let's put it in Sophie's hands. Oh God, her reactions to it.
Was that cola?
Nope, the purplish one.
That looks like the cola.
I think it's that purplish one. Wait, is that? Oh no. Like, so she'll give me a cola if I can.
Look in there.
What?
Look in there. Get there. Right. I'll show the camera. Put that in Alva's hands. You'll take one out. What is that?
Orange.
Wait, let me see. No.
Oh.
It was the pinky red. Do you know what I'm talking about? That one's great. I'm going for the brown one. Why don't we swap seats?
Yeah.
Because I always cheat some.